Hi everyone, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using and trying out this palette. This is from Voss. This is their Violet Sunset. I just got this in my last BoxyCharm box. I'm going to be really careful showing you guys what this palette looks like just because this one right here is broken and I don't want it falling out. So this is what it looks like. It just looks like a beautiful, beautiful everyday palette with a couple of pops of color without being overly bright and very, very vibrant. So I just lightly primed my eyes with MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And now I think I want to go in with a little bit of this blush shade right here, this one. I'll just be a little careful showing you guys. I don't want to make things falling out. And I'm just going to, oh, that was a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp this in, and then once most of the product is deposited, then I'm just going to buff it out. I didn't think it was going to be this pigmented. Okay, so it's on there. I'm just going to do something really nice and simple. Okay, and the brush I am using to blend and buff this out is a Morphe M502. That blended out really, really nice. Okay, there's no more product on here. I'm just going to buff this right in here a little bit. I don't like when this part is very bright. So I like to blend just a little and diffuse this color. It's already looking so much better. Going in with this purple right here, it's called Lilac, using the same brush. Just taking a very small amount. And I'm just going to put this color directly into my crease. I'm just building this up a little bit. I'm keeping most of the color on the outer portion and then bringing it in towards the front, just so everything blends out really, really nice. Okay, so now I want to go with that shade Peach. That's the one that's broken. And I just want to run this on my lid. Wow, that's so pigmented. I'm just taking a little bit and I'm running it on my lid. And I'm just bringing it slightly above so you can just see it a little bit when my eyes are open and closed. I'm going to clean that brush off, and there's a shade next to it, which is this shade right here, Vanilla. I'm going to add a very small amount of this right here. It's really pretty. Kind of has like a shift of a little bit of pink in there, which I really like. And it's not very shimmery, it's that perfect brow bone color. Now going back in with that fluffy brush that I used, I'm just going to clean it off. I'm just going to buff right up here a little bit. I don't want to move or disturb that shade, but I just want to blend a little bit so it's not very harsh. So I'm going to take this brown right here. There's two browns. I'm taking the lightest brown, which is Amber Sky. Taking a little blending brush, and I'm going to work this into just the outer V, and I'm just pressing and stamping in this color. See the difference it makes between this eye and this eye? I'm really liking this way this is looking. So now I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown shade right here. Well, this one, it's called Desert Sand. I'm gonna take a nice little blending, fluffy-ish detailing brush like this, And I'm going to run this down here. Not being too neat with it, but I am bringing it all the way from here to here. And I'm cleaning that off and just further blending. So I'm going to go back in with the other darker brown that I used on the top, taking a very small amount. And I'm going to place this just right here on the outer half, just for some depth. I'm using the tiniest amount. So I think I'm going to go back in with Vanilla. That's the shade I used in the brow bone. And I just want to add this right here. Actually, let me go back in with Peach and just tap that in here so there's a little sparkle. I'm just tapping in the center of that first shade so it's just kind of peeking through. Okay, so now I'm just going to curl up my lashes, add a little mascara, and I'm probably going to put some natural lashes on just to complete this look, and then we'll finish the rest of the face. While my lashes are dry, I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm in the shade medium, and I'm just going to add a little bit of powder to my face. I'm also going to go in with this NYX Banana Pressed Powder. I haven't used this in a really long time. I used to really like it. And I'm just going to brighten up underneath the eyes just a little. And then whatever's left over, just tap it in these other areas. Now for blush and highlighter, I think I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Bite Size little blush and highlighter combination. This is in Lychee. I am going to go in with, I'm going to go with the highlighter first. And I'm just going to add this right here. Really quick, let me put my lashes on. These are Salon Perfects in 614s. Okay, continuing back with my highlighter and blush, I'm gonna highlight my nose. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my nose. So using my bronzing brush, I'm going in with that same blush in this palette. And I'm going on top of the highlighter also. Now just blending everything out just a little. So I think I want to go in with a little bit more gold into my highlight. So I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow highlighter. And I'm only going to take a very, very small amount. Just a little on the nose also. Taking my brush and I'm just going to tap to soften. I don't want to move, I don't want to rub it because it'll remove the product. I just want to push it in. Lips, and then we're done. So I'm going to go in with Morphe Sweet Tea, and I think I'm going to use this ColourPop Quickie lipstick. I also added a little bit of this MAC and Nicki Minaj, the pink print lipstick. It's just a really, really nice pale nude. Okay, so this is the completed look. I really, really love the way this look turned out. I think it's very simple, very easy, very pretty. It was very, very effortless. This palette is beautiful. Pigment's there, quality's there. It blends well. You don't need tons of product. I don't have any complaints about this at all. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.